Hi, BrenTech here, where tech is made simple. So Microsoft Edge has a feature in the sidebar called Edge Drop, which basically at the end of the day allows you to send files and notes across all your devices, syncing using OneDrive. Now, we have covered this quite in depth on the channel, and I have posted a feature on how you can actually use this feature, a complete how-to video. So I'll leave that link down below and in the end screen. That's not what I want to get into for the purpose of this video. Now, just to let you know that if we head over to Edge Canary, which is an early preview version, currently sitting on version 133, if we head into our settings and we head over to our appearance page and we click on toolbar, the toggle to pin the drop button to the toolbar is back again in Edge Canary. And this toggle and setting was removed quite some time, both in the stable and also in Canary. So I think this is a nice move because I know some users of Edge do use drop. It's quite a useful function, especially if you are using the OneDrive feature. And the option now to have that pinned to your toolbar just makes accessing drop a lot quicker and simpler to do if, as an example, it isn't pinned to your sidebar. So if we just click on that, we can open that up and there we go. Now, something else I just want to highlight is if we head back to the stable, we can see between stable and Canary there's a difference in the user interface, where this is looking a little bit clunky and chunky, and it seems now that with the new toolbar button that's returned, Microsoft is giving this a little bit of a fresh look. So it, to some extent or the other, it works exactly the same. It's just a user interface tweak and adjustment. So at the top here, you can still refresh. You've still got your settings or your three-dotted menu where you can see your storage. You've got some settings and so on, which are available in the actual stable version. You can still drag photos, files, links, videos, and more. Here you've got your screenshot utility, and you can write a note to yourself, and you can select files or photos to send. So basically, the functionality seems to be exactly the same. It's just, I think it has received a nice new modern visual redesign. So, and this is currently in Canary. I'm only noticing this on one of my devices and not the other. So at this stage, hard to know where Microsoft is going with this, but I think having the drop button back on the toolbar makes a lot of sense, and the option to enable and disable it from the toolbar. So I don't see why this wouldn't roll out to a stable version, and also I don't see why this new user interface wouldn't roll out to a stable version. But obviously, just keeping you posted if you are using Edge, and especially if you are using the drop feature. And I'll keep my eyes on this, and if that does make its way to stable, I'll obviously let you know. So thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.